Pag-ampo, mao kini matud pa ang sekreto sa duha ka graduates gikan sa University of San Jose Recoletos kinsa wala lang ni pasar apan ni top pagyud sa May 2024 licensure examination for certified public accountants.
Ako ang ipangusgan dyan is prayer. Kay sabi ko that the impossible, kay ma-possible na dyan sa Ginoo. Then, so the day before, kay niyato ko og Carmelite na nanakot, then nagbisita iglesia ko with my fam, with my mother and father. Niyato mi og 7 churches, which is sa south lang sa San Fernando until Barili.
Pag lagpas season na shock lang po kay kanang na-gusto na pagkalit. Kanang even when the USJ-R si Par kay natin select sa mga wala ka ni Kuyo, pero when nakaduon na ang season dinner, I think I was able to kanang come back to God and nag-pray na ko balik. And for some reason, nakalmar ako because Miss Oy also told me na all his plans are good. So I think that's the best practice, knowing na your life is in his hands.
Top 6 si May Pearl si Kuya nga tagalungsod sa Barili sa Habagatang Bahin sa Sugbo ug top 9 si Clark Peter Castillo nga taga Barangay Busay ning Dakbayan. Matud pa sa mga professors ni si Kuya ug Castillo, gipanlantawan na nila nga malakip sa topnotchers ang duha tungod kay sila mga consistent honor students ug gani nakita nila ang kamaalamon ug ingon man kapursigido nilang magtuon ug magkat-on.
I truly believe, that Clark has the potential to top not only in the departmental, in the qualifying, and even the accuracy of the exam. And the same is true with me, very dedicated and committed student. So, woman with a few words but speak a lot in terms of action. Ito nagsang istorya, pero ang resulta, grabe kayo.
The fact that I lobbied for their scholarship with the Vice President for Business and Finance, and I'm very grateful to Sir Dexter Cuevas, our controller, for helping me get the scholarship for them. I think that's a surefire way of expressing my confidence that they will top.
Isip ganti sa nadawat niya kalampusan sa duha ka topnotchers, muhatag ang tunghaan og brand new laptop plus 375,000 pesos cash kang si Kuya ug 300,000 pesos kang Castillo. Ang USJ-R ang nag-inusara nga Cebu-based university nga nalakip sa topnotchers sa maong board exam. Kaniadtong October 2023, top 1 sab sa susamang board exam ang Hosenian nga si Heban Tawan-Tawan. Inspirasyon sa duha ka topnotchers ang ilang pamilya ug mga higala ug dakong garbo kanila ang mahimong inspirasyon sa mga kabatan-unan karon.
It's important to believe in God but also have some faith in yourself. Kaya no matter how much you believe in God, and then you would not exert the effort to actually get there. Kaya I don't think you'll get that far, but if you combine those two things, like kanang believe in yourself, na maningkamot ka, and then if when in doubt, kaya adto ni gid ni God, I think you will do great things beyond what you could imagine. So I think that's something that I'd like to leave for those who are looking up to me.
My family jud, miss. They're my ways jud, like whenever kapuyon ko sa akong walik lang ko nang gibuhat ko ni. And this is because of them. I wanted to give back because very gako ilang sacrifice para nako. And I can really feel their love and support para nako aning akong kurso.
Kini si Queenie Joligon alang sa MyTV, Cebu.